Good morning, children. Last class we had discussed about the introduction of computer networks, then what about the servers, website, web pages, then HTML, features of HTML, tools required to create a web page, and today we'll discuss about terms in HTML. So every HTML document consists of tags and the content of the body of the web page. A tag is an HTML command that controls the structure and appearance of the page or document that is created. Every tag has attribute or special properties. So here what do you mean by tag? Tag means it is a command. It is a command means if we want to enter some images in our web pages or some button in our web pages or some style, means if you want to change the font style means text style. If you want to change, if you want to add some table in our web page, so these are the while adding this different tags, I mean these different images or these different tools, we are using a tag. This is known as a tag, and with the help of this tag we are able to design a web page. Then come to the HTML tag, and this tag is having different attributes. Attributes means properties. So while writing a tag in a program, if you want to change the tag properties, if you want to change, then you can change. And every tag is having different attributes. Attributes means special properties. HTML tag. HTML tag determines the way the browser would display the text. Yes, with the help of this text, the tags, the browser will read what the program is, what is in the program. What is in the program that a that a tag wants to display in a web page, and that the browser will read first, and then the browser will display it in a web page. The tags are always enclosed within a pair of angular bracket. That is, see here bracket is given here, angular bracket open, angular bracket close. Means both open and close, both the tag, in between both the tag we have to write a, in between both the brackets, angular brackets, we have to write a tag. The text is written in the tags. For example, title, head. Here the title tag means if you want to give any title, if you want to give title of your web page. Yes, while writing the program, while designing the web page, if you want to give any title of the web page, so you have to use this angular bracket. See here how to write under angular bracket, title is written here. So the browser will read first about this tag, and then the browser will understand about how that the programmer want to display a title. So after that what we had typed after the title, the browser will display display according to the tag. And then head is also given, head is also a tag. So if you want to give a heading, if you want to give a heading in your web page, so with the help of this head tag, your heading will be displayed on your web page. So these are the examples, and many more tags are there to learn in this chapters, chapter number 4 and chapter number 5, both the chapters. Okay, HTML tags are of two types, non-empty tag and empty tag. So here tags are of two types. One tag is known as non-empty tag, and the another one is empty tag. So non-empty tag is also known as a container tag. So don't be confused about the non-empty tag, because non-empty tag is also known as a container tag. If anyone is asking about what is container tag, so you have to give the answer of non-empty tag. Yes, if question come what is the another name of non-empty tag, so you have to give the answer as it is a container. It is also known as a container tag. A non-empty tag requires an opening on tag and a closing off tag. On tag are written within the angular brackets, and off tag are also written within the angular brackets, but using slash before the command. See here example is given here how to write. So here non-empty tag, if we are discussing about the non-empty tag, means that non-empty tag is having open tag and close tag. So under the open tag and close tag we have to write a instruction. what you want to do, what you want to display. Okay, so here how to write. For example, it is given here title. Title on tag means that title under the angular bracket title is written, it means it is a on tag. And if you want to close this title tag, so you have to write, see here, off tag it is written here. Off tag, what is the difference between two on tag and off tag? One slash is given, one slash is typed there. So if you are opening a tag, so you no need to give a slash. And after writing the program, if you want to close that tag, yes, if you want to close that tag, so you have to write a slash. So in HTML, some tags are not having close tag, but some tags are having a close tags. So without close tag, our browser will not able to read the tag which we had typed in the program, written in the program, and then it will not display a accurate, it will not display the correct output in the browser web browser. Then come to the empty sorry come to the empty tag. An empty tag are those tags which do not require a closing tag. These tags are also written within angular bracket. For example, HR and BR. Okay, it is how to read this. It is a title tag, it is head tag, HR tag, BR tag. Like this we have to read. And what do you mean by empty tag? Means that tag is not having a close tag. Close tag means slash. We are slash, no need to give any slash tag, only we have to use a open tag here. So what do you mean by HR tag? HR tag means horizontal rule. If you want to make one rule in a web page, okay, if you want to draw one line in horizontal form, so you can use a HR tag. And what do you mean by BR tag? It is a break line, it is used for break line. Means suppose you are writing 5 lines, if you are writing and if you want to display on your web pages, so after writing the first line you have to give this BR tag. So at the time of execution, the browser will read the first line, then after that the browser will read the BR tag also. Then the meaning of BR tag is new line. So then the second line the browser will be displayed in the second line what you had written without giving this BR line. If you are not giving this BR tag, so the browser will display all the 5 lines together. So you have to give the instructions to your browser by writing the program, that after one line we have to give the break line, then again second line, then break line, third line, then break line. Break line means this BR tag. Okay, so this is the difference between non-empty tag and empty tag. So first difference between is that non-empty tag is having a open tag and close tag. And close tag means, while if you want to close the tag, you have to write a slash in front of the tag name. And empty tag means empty tag is not having any close tag. Okay, then attributes. Just now we had discussed about the attributes. Attributes means a property. These different tags are there. If you want to change the property of that tag, so you can use a attributes. Some tags have special attributes which offer many options to format the text contained. Attributes are written within the angular bracket with its corresponding tag, one after another, with a space in between each of them. So how to write this? For example, font. Font is a tag. Font is used. Suppose first line you are writing in your web page. First line, if you want to change the style of your text or some size of your text or color of your text, means that line you had written in the web page, that if you want to change the, by default the black color is there. So if you want to change the style of your text, means cursive writing if you want to write, or some Arial format or Roman format, this if you want to display, so you have to change the property of that tag. So here font tag is used to format your text. Format your text means जो line आप लिखे हो, means that line you had typed, that line, color, size and the style will be changed if you want to change. So you have to give the attributes under the angular tag. So here font after writing a font, if you want to change the font property, so you have to give the attributes also. Means attribute and property is same. So here first attribute of font is size, second attribute of font is color. So if you want to give together both, so you can give. So here size is a attribute and equal to 5. 5 is value. Okay, so this question will ask in Viva, or this question is asked in question also, that in this tag which one is the attribute and which one is the value. So here in font tag, size and color is attribute, and 5 and red, it is written here that your choice. Any size you can write by your own, and color, any color you can choose and write, but the color should be written in double quote. Here see where size and color are the attributes of the font tag. Now come to the values. Attributes can have values. Most of the attributes have some defined values which will be accepted only by the attribute. Okay, some attribute is having the value only. So after writing the attribute, you have to give the value. Example, it is given here, font size equal to 5, where 5 is the value of size attribute of a font tag. So different tags are there, and different tags attributes you have to learn. Now nesting tag. So student, nesting tag will discuss in the next class. Up to here you go through the chapter, and if you are having any doubt then ask. Okay, thank you.